Sorry about the inconvenience.
Okay.
Hi, welcome back to our channel.
Yeah, we're gonna freaking stuffed animal trade.
Trade.
1 second while we clean up.
Yes.
That. Hi. So yeah.
We're talking drama. Bye.
Okay. So like, can I trade with you?
What do you have?
Not really that good of stuff. What?
Oh my gosh.
What?
Will you trade me this one for you?
I don't know. I really like this one.
He's really, really rare. He's really, really rare.
I don't
He's
know.
less rare. Do you want me to check if he has a tag? This one has a tag, a rare tag.
I've had this since I was 2 years old. I don't think I can ever trade it. I don't think I can ever trade it.
him?
I'm sorry.
Will you trade him?
Sure, for what?
For him? Or for him?
No.
Which one do you want? Show me which one you want.
I would like.
No.
I would like. Let me look at this. No. Wait, I'm supposed to have them. I would like.
Booth is closed in 10 minutes.
What?
Yes.
I would like. That. No. Yeah. Thank you.
Trade done? No take backs?
No take backs.
No take backs. You just got scammed.
I don't care. See how beautiful it is.
Trading booth is closed. In 5. We'll be back tomorrow with another video. Maybe.
The next day.
I wonder if I'm gonna have any good traders today. That girl yesterday, my last customer, she was so not good with her stuff. I really hope that same girl doesn't come back. Yesterday was so. Oh yeah, hello.
I have.
Weren't you the girl yesterday?
Yeah.
Did you get any more stuffed animal packs?
Yes. Actually, a whole lot more. I hope you want to trade with me.
I will.
Okay. Okay. I mean, only if you want to. I'm not forcing you to.
It's okay, we can.
Okay. I'm putting on this. So,
Yes.
I'm trading.
Oh, I love him. Oh, I can't trade him. My mom said I'm not allowed to trade him. Do you like it?
Didn't I trade you that yesterday?
Oh, yeah, you did. Silly me. So,
Sure.
okay.
No trade backs?
No trade backs. I've never seen that.
She just got scammed.
Pretend I know I got scammed, and then I go to confront you the next day.
Okay, anything else that you want to trade? Remember,
Come back tomorrow.
Remember, no trade backs, because you shook on it.
Come back tomorrow.
Okay, I will. The next day.
I really hope that girl doesn't come back. I hated that girl.
Hi.
Hi, you're my normal customer.
Yeah. I'm trading this.
You gave me this for that. I can trade him. My mom said I'm not allowed to.
I'm sorry, but no. I really love him. She just farted! Okay. Shut up. Okay.
Slap me. I'm gonna slap you back.
Come
We'll have a
on!
full on this fight on camera.
Bit.
Take your glasses off for this. She don't need to take her glasses off for this.
Ow, that hurt.
Take your glasses off.
I think I won. Shoot the camera! The camera!
Take your glasses off so we can have a full on this fight.
No.
Yes.
I want to do stuffed animal training. Okay, back in a little while when we clean up. Part 2 if y'all want, because it's already 5 minutes. Peace.